Hi there, I'm Carly and welcome to the last run up in the woods. Today I'm going to make the Canadianest snow ice cream ever. So if you've never made snow ice cream before, it's super easy. All you need is cream and sugar or sweetened condensed milk, some vanilla or something for flavoring, and of course, snow! So I've always just made vanilla snow ice cream, but I'm feeling extra Canadian today, so I'm going to make maple ice cream. I've just mixed powdered milk with water and a little bit of butter to give it the fat because I forgot to pick up cream or condensed milk at the store. Usually I prefer cream. So I'm just going to add it to my milk first. This is called estimating. A few pieces of dirt in there. Then we shake it up. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Looks like it's stirred in. Okay, let's go get some snow. So fresh snow is best, and it's been snowing all day, which makes life easy. But if you don't have beautiful fresh snow, you can always go hunting for a layer of snow. We've got a nice one here under a crust of snow. Beautiful. Okay, now we add the condensed milk. Hopefully I don't have too much snow.
Should get a nice ice cream consistency.
Oh yeah. It's definitely not as good as it is made with cream. It actually just tastes like cheap ice cream. Which is still ice cream, so it's good. But it's missing something. Aha! Oh yeah. Yeah, that's yeah, add that bacon in there. And no, this isn't Canadian bacon. We don't do that here in Canada. The only place I've had Canadian bacon is in Australia. You see, Canadians have a long tradition of mixing maple syrup and bacon. It's a well-known fact up here in Canada that maple syrup goes with pretty much anything. And I think it's a well-known fact worldwide that bacon goes with everything. Are you sad that you're not getting ice cream? Oh, I'm sorry. So okay, that's it for this week. If you want to subscribe to my channel, click right there. If you want to look at some of my other videos, click over here. And that's it. So long and see you next week-ish. And remember, the answer is always maple syrup. No, it's bacon. No, it's... I don't know.